Marianne. By the way, if you guys thought it felt like fall this morning, we have some cooler temperatures. Look at all the 50s inland this morning. We're actually off to a pretty chilly start. 55 Poway, 57 in Escondido, 56 degrees Miramar. And if you're in the mountains, you're down in the 40s. Colder this morning, 43 Julian and Pine Valley. And then right near the coast, we're around 60 degrees, 60 downtown, 61 in Sanitas, so you probably will want a jacket early if you're going to be outside for a while. Coastal temperatures will stay in the 60s through the first half of the day, and then we'll be in the low 70s with clouds breaking up and trying to clear out through the afternoon. We'll talk about a warming trend ahead for the weekend that's coming up.
Let's get you
some of the headlines, not all the headlines, but yeah, as we had, did you guys enjoy yesterday though? Because it was really nice.
Oh.
It's pretty chilly outside, so you might need a jacket early this morning. We're going to be unseasonably cool as we head through the day today. This week is going to be unseasonably cool. It's going to continue to feel like fall, but then as we head into the weekend, we're going to have a huge shift in our weather pattern. So beach weather returns. Summer weather actually returns into the forecast this weekend. So it's not going to be feeling like fall, even though Sunday is officially the first day of fall, but feeling more like summer. This morning, though, we're looking pretty good. We're mostly, I would say, clear inland, but we do have some clouds around. There's our radar sweeping around some of these clouds near the coast, maybe a little bit of early drizzle, but that's really about it. Most of this afternoon's really going to be nice again for the inland valleys. As we head through this morning, we're in the upper 50s, and we'll stay that way for the next few hours. By noon today, inland around 70 degrees, mostly sunny skies developing. Through the afternoon, inland valleys will be in about the mid-70s. Yesterday, we were right around 70, so a few degrees or so warmer. Then we head into tonight. Once the sun goes down, we'll be back in the 60s, so really comfortable evening again. So for the coast today, low 70s. For the mountains, we'll be in the mid-60s. Little breezy west wind for mountains and deserts. Deserts will be in about the upper 80s today. So nice weather pattern continues. As we head into the next couple days, though, there's a very small chance that we could have maybe a couple showers, very light, or even just some sprinkles, possibly Wednesday night into Thursday. But the chance looks very small, honestly. It's not a big weather down the street.
Well, we have another one in between. Got the 2-year one in Italy.
Yeah, that's true. Yes, we do.
The old winter games.
Good reminder. The winter games are going to be fun to watch, too. Doesn't feel like winter this morning, but we're getting a little bit closer, kind of that taste of fall. We have really cool temperatures. It feels really nice, but you might want a jacket. We're at 59 degrees now downtown. 60 in Chula Vista. It is cooler this morning than yesterday morning. 58 degrees right now, Oceanside. Carlsbad's at 59. If you're in Ramona, you're down to 50, and Pine Valley's coming in at 49 degrees. Beaches today, we'll see the early clouds, a little onshore breeze as we head through the afternoon. Temperatures will stay right near 70 degrees at the beaches, so we'll see that gradual clearing from any cloud cover that we have. Wave heights around 1 to 3 feet. Some sets could be near 4 feet today. For the inland valleys, we'll be in the mid-70s with increasing sunshine. For the coastal communities, not at the beaches, about the low 70s. Mountains mid-60s, deserts around 90, so another very comfortable, unseasonably cool day. Overnight tonight, we're going to talk more about this coming up. There's a partial lunar eclipse, but right near sunset, shortly after sunset, I should say, is when you're going to be able to see it. So the sky might still be a little bit light, so not sure how difficult it might be. But either way, temperatures overnight will be cool. We'll be seeing partly cloudy skies. Let's look at future weather real quick. Over the next couple days, we may have a very tiny rain chance, not amounting to much, maybe Wednesday into Thursday. Then we head into the weekend. We get hot again, so our weather pattern's really going to shift this weekend. It's going to feel more like summer. Nice when you step out the door. It's actually pretty cool. Cooler than yesterday morning. You might need a jacket before you step out. We have 50s inland. We have only temperatures around 60 at the coast, and then if you're in the mountains, you're in the 40s, low 40s. So before you head outside, just maybe check that air temperature because you might think it's a little bit chilly. This morning, though, as you're exercising, after the sun comes up and temperatures start to rise a little more, we'll be in the 60s. By the afternoon, though, we'll be right around the low 70s at the coast, mid-70s inland. So still a really nice afternoon to maybe exercise outside. Sunset now before 7 p.m., 6:51. We'll talk more about what to expect as we head into a hotter weekend coming up.
All right, Sheena.
Light, but hopefully you'll have a good viewing there. But yeah, it seems like we've had quite a few in the past, couple years or so. Today, though, really nice weather. We have unseasonably cool temperatures again. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday. Yesterday was really nice and cool. This morning we have chilly temperatures, cooler than yesterday morning. So when you walk out the door, you might want that light jacket. This week, though, it's going to be feeling like fall pretty much all week because we're going to stay unseasonably cool until we hit the weekend. Then we're going to heat up again. Our weather pattern's really going to shift, and the weekend will become unseasonably hot. It's going to feel more like summer, and technically fall does begin this weekend too, but not really feeling like it. Here's a look at the radar right now. There's our first alert Doppler 7 sweeping around. We may see a little bit of drizzle from some marine layer clouds, but for the most part, today looks pretty good and pretty nice through the afternoon. Here's a look at the coast hour by hour this morning, upper 50s to near 60 degrees, and then by 10 a.m. upper 60s, 68 degrees. By noon, near the coast, we should be around 70 and staying around the low 70s or that 70-degree mark for several hours. Skies becoming mostly sunny. And then once we head into this evening by 7 p.m., we'll be in the mid-60s. As part of our Clear the Shelters, I have a very cute adoptable. This is, I believe it's a Hound Lab mix, but this is at Rancho Coastal Humane Society, and this dog's name is Old Hometown. They like to give their dogs interesting names. So this dog is available for adoption. Just head to Rancho Coastal Humane Society. Very sweet dog there. This afternoon, if you're walking your dog inland, temperatures will be in the mid-70s and mostly sunny, so really nice afternoon for the inland valleys. Here's what it looks like as we head through the rest of the week. So we could have a very small rain chance Wednesday night into early. By the way, Padres play tonight too. So if you're heading to Petco Park for that, I have your forecast coming up in just a minute. Should be a really nice evening to watch some baseball. Right now, here's a look at the temperatures. It is pretty chilly outside, so it's cooler than yesterday morning. We have 40s in the mountains, 50s for the inland valleys, mostly the mid 50s. And then near the coast, a couple spots have dropped into the upper 50s, 59 downtown, Severno Valley, 60 in Encinitas, 62 Imperial Beach, 54 degrees in Poway. Maybe a light jacket. If you're in El Cajon, 55 degrees is the temperature. We'll be seeing temperatures climb to around 70 by lunchtime, so still a really comfortable day. It is Tuesday, so your Taco Tuesday forecast looking pretty good for the inland valleys this afternoon. Mostly sunny, mid-70s, the coast low 70s, staying unseasonably cool. Mountains will be around 63 degrees or so, but a really nice Tuesday setting up and a nice evening, like I mentioned, to go watch some baseball. Padres play today, first pitch 6:40. So if you're heading to Petco Park, temperatures should be in the mid-60s by that time, and then mostly the mid-60s throughout the game, so maybe take a jacket with you, but it should be a nice evening. Let's look at future weather as we head into tomorrow night into Thursday. We'll have a very weak area of low pressure kind of traveling south through the state. Not a lot of moisture with this. Our rain chance is going to be very small, but can't rule out a shower. And then look what happens this weekend. We're going to get unseasonably hot, so big shift in our weather pattern. We go from unseasonably cool this week to feeling more. Hopefully you did get to see it because it really looked kind of wonderful, especially with clear skies, but now we do have some clouds around. Temperatures are chilly this morning. Look at these numbers inland. We're in the 50s. 54 Poway, 56 Escondido. If you're downtown, you're at 59 degrees right now. We're in the 40s in the mountains. So chilly start this morning. Look at our 24-hour temperature change. Yesterday morning at this time, we were 10 degrees warmer. So today, yeah, we're seeing temperatures about 10 degrees warmer cooler right now. So I think you'll notice it. If you're dropping the kids off this morning,
it's Taco Tuesday, so maybe
especially on a Tuesday, maybe you can head to the Padres game, get some tacos there tonight. That'll be nice. For today, we have some unseasonably cool weather. Again, we actually will continue to see this cooler weather as we head through really the rest of the week. It's going to be feeling like fall, though, as we head through this week, too. And then we're going to see a pretty big warm up as we head into the weekend. So enjoy these comfortable temperatures. There's our first alert Doppler 7 radar sweeping around. So we're dry. We had the chance for maybe a little bit of drizzle this morning, but I think for the most part will be pretty good. Inland valleys, as we head through the next several hours, we're going to be in about the upper 50s to near 60 degrees by 9 a.m. Then closer to lunchtime, we'll be around 70, mostly sunny, really nice day inland. Through the afternoon, temperatures will be mostly in the mid-70s for those inland locations, so staying unseasonably cool today. Feeling wonderful once again with that breeze, too. Onshore breeze could be around 20 miles an hour for the coast and inland valleys. Then we head into tonight. Once the sun goes down by 7 p.m., we should be in the mid-60s. So for this afternoon, clouds moving over to increasing sunshine for the coast, low 70s today. And for the mountains, we'll be in the mid-60s. Deserts around 88 degrees this afternoon, so another nice afternoon, but we are going to start to see a warming trend as we head into the weekend. Now, at the coast tomorrow, we could have a late shower chance. Thursday, we could have a very small chance. I really don't think it's going to amount to much. We have an area of low pressure that'll be moving south through the state, but it's not going to have a lot of moisture with it, just kind of making mention of a shower chance there. Then we head into the weekend. Look what happens on Saturday degrees. So if you're going to be outside for a little while this morning, I would say you might need a light jacket. We're about 10 degrees cooler than yesterday morning at this time. 60 in Chula Vista, 57 Oceanside. If you're in El Cajon, you're at 54 degrees. Ramona's at 51. Mountains are in the 40s. So yeah, really cool start across the county. Beaches today, a little breezy this afternoon with an onshore wind developing again with high temperatures right near 70. We'll see gradual clearing. Wave heights around 1 to 3 feet. Some sets could be near 4 at the beaches. For the inland valleys, we'll be in the mid 70s this afternoon. Another really nice day, unseasonably cool compared to where we should be this time of the year. So we're running about 12, 13 degrees below normal. For the coast, we'll be in the low 70s. Coastal communities, if you're not at the beaches, mountains mid 60s, deserts near about the upper 80s. For the overnight hours, it's going to be cool again, around 60 at the coast, mid 50s inland, mountains will be in the 40s. Deserts near 60 degrees. Let's look at what's going to happen, though, the rest of the week. We have a very weak area of low pressure that's going to move south through the state, so maybe tomorrow night into Thursday, very small shower chance, not amounting to much, but we'll make mention of it. We head into the week and our weather pattern drastically shifts for Saturday and Sunday, even Monday, so we're looking at unseasonably hot weather in the forecast when the moon rises, so hopefully the skies will be dark enough for you to really get a good view of it. But overall, our weather pattern's looking pretty good through the day today. At least enjoy being outside if you missed that moon. So for today, unseasonably cool temperatures. Again, yesterday was wonderful. Hopefully you like the cooler weather. Today we're going to be just a touch warmer, but still cooler than normal. And then this week we're going to be feeling like fall. That'll continue across most of this week until we head towards the weekend. Then we're going to heat up. The weekend's going to be unseasonably hot. It's going to feel more like summer, and we have beach weather in the weekend forecast. Currently, temperatures are about 10 degrees cooler than they were yesterday morning at this time. So we're at 59 degrees downtown. Inland valleys are mostly in the mid to upper 50s. For most of the coastline, we're around 60 degrees, and then we have mountains coming in the 40s, so off to a pretty chilly start. There's our radar sweeping around. We're pretty dry. Some patchy cloud cover, especially near the coast, might provide a little bit of drizzle here and there, but shouldn't be a big issue. For the coastal communities, this morning will be around 60 degrees for the next couple hours, around 70 by lunchtime. We'll stay around 70 through the afternoon with some areas near the coast in about the low 70s, mostly sunny. And then we head into this evening. Padres play tonight. First pitch 6:40. By that time, if you're heading to Petco Park, mid 60s, and we'll stay in the mid 60s through most of the games. So if you are heading to that game, you might want that jacket with you. You might feel a little bit cool. As part of our Clear the Shelters, I have this very sweet dog for adoption this morning. This is Old Hometown, few years old. This sweet dog is looking for a loving home at Rancho Coastal Humane Society. So if you'd like to adopt this dog, you could just head there. By the afternoon, if you're walking your dog inland, temperatures will be in the mid 70s, mostly sunny, really nice day. Again, still cooler than normal for this time of the year. We'll stay like this as we head through about Thursday. We'll have a very, very small rain chance, maybe Wednesday night into Thursday. I don't think it's going to amount to much. And then we head into the weekend. Look at the temperatures will be just a touch warmer, but still cool and still a little bit breezy this afternoon. Yesterday was gorgeous. This morning, we're running around 10 degrees cooler than yesterday morning. So I think you'll notice that as you step outside, a little bit of a chill in the air with temperatures in the 50s, inland mostly the mid 50s, 53 Poway, 56 Escondido right now, 58 degrees downtown. So right near the coast, we're closer to 60 degrees, and mountains are in the mid to low 40s. So you might want that light jacket this morning. This afternoon, low 70s at the coast, mid 70s inland. We'll see a mix of clouds moving over to more sunshine, mountains in the 60s, deserts, upper 80s. And then overnight tonight, we're still going to have those cool temperatures in place by tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning is going to be really pleasant too. Late tomorrow into Thursday, there's just going to be a very small chance for a light shower. Not enough to see it. We may still have some scattered clouds around, but overall, not too bad. It'll be cool again tonight, but that's actually going to happen shortly after the sun goes down. So hopefully it'll be dark enough for you to see that too. Here's a live look out Ocean Beach right now, where we have a beautiful day setting up. It's going to be a little bit cool along the coast, but really pleasant weather. We have some scattered clouds still out there right near the coastline, but looking pretty dry right now as we head through the afternoon. Unseasonably cool. For the most part, though, the radar looks dry. Let's take a look at that. So we do have some clouds on satellite. You can see those near the coast, around the South Bay, up through parts of North County, kind of scattered, but the radar is sweeping around. There's our first alert Doppler 7. No rain with most of these clouds. The only chance we really had was early this morning, maybe a few sprinkles, but that's really about it. Right now, we're at 70 degrees downtown. Most of the coast is right near 70, but we still have some upper 60s. 68 degrees Imperial Beach, 67 Point Loma. Inland Valley is very comfortable, right around 70, most areas in the upper 60s. And look at Julian at 54 degrees. Carlsbad's at 67, some clouds around. As we head through the afternoon, right around 70 for the coast. We'll see sunshine, but we could still be seeing some scattered clouds. Overnight tonight, temperatures will be cool, unseasonably cool for the rest of the week. Slight shower chance maybe Wednesday night into Thursday, but into the weekend, it's going to get hot again. So I'll show you that with the 10-day forecast coming up in just a bit.
Okay.
Right? I know they're adorable, and we love seeing them, idolize Simone and the other gymnasts and say they want to be like her. So it's really cool to see that. We have great weather as we head through the rest of the day today. If you're in El Cajon right now, you're only at 70 degrees. Really comfortable afternoon. Again, we have these fall-like temperatures that'll just hang around for the rest of the week. Rest of today, though, in El Cajon, we may be in about the mid to low 70s at times, but a really nice afternoon. You may still see some passing clouds through the county, but it's really just going to be a mix of sun and clouds out there. Most inland valleys will be near the mid 70s, so I'd say mid to low 70s. The coast around the low 70s. Beach or mountains will be around the mid 60s. Breezy onshore wind for everybody this afternoon and today, and the desert's near 90. Padres play today, first pitch 6:40. If you're heading to Petco Park this evening for the Padres game, it is going to be kind of cool, but really comfortable to watch some baseball. Temperatures will be mostly in the mid 60s throughout the game, so maybe take a light jacket at least with you if you think that's pretty cool. It'll be nice. Overnight tonight, dropping to around 60 at the coast, around the mid 50s for the inland valleys by tomorrow morning. So really cool start again, 40s in the mountains. Here's future weather. So as we head through Wednesday night and Thursday, we're going to have a very weak area of low pressure move through the state, and that may cause maybe a couple very light showers or some sprinkles. So very small rain chance for us, not amounting to much. After that, though, our weather pattern's really going to shift over to a hotter one this weekend. So we're going to be feeling more like summer. Technically, this weekend we start